Struggling for how to change the slide color in PPT. This is simple and easy. Head to the design tab, and on the right side you will see that format background. Click on that, and now you can use any preference color of your choice. For example, I'm selecting this yellow color, and here this slide color is changed from yellow. And you can also increase the transparency, make it bold or make sharper and make light as per your choice. And if you want to apply this color to all slides, you need to click on this apply to all. This color will be applied to, you can see that, applied to all slides. So in this way you can easily change the color of slides in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.